Hello guys, my name is Crypt. Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the new update of Ilusity. Alright, Ilusity v0.9.3 is finally out. After you have downloaded, you're gonna have the zip file over here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna extract it. So you're gonna right click, you're gonna extract to Ilusity v0.9.3, or you can just click extract here. Cool. So I just extracted. Now I have the Ilusity v0.9.3 folder right there. I'm gonna put the zip file away. And now I'm gonna open this folder. When I open this folder, you guys can immediately notice that I have a few things in here. But don't worry, this is just very simple. So as you guys see over here, I have a few files. Like I have a config file, and Ilusity logs, PUBG, and Super People. This is what's known as configuration files and profiles. Okay, you don't need to worry about any of these. Basically, what they do is they just save you information about the gun you put in, the profiles and the modes and everything. They just save each information for each game. So like let's say you're gonna play PUBG, you're gonna do the PUBG profile. You can save there the AKM, the info 16. It just saves it for you. That's basically what it does. So you don't need to worry about any of this. Okay, there's a sound right here. The sound is used for when you turn on and off the scripts. Okay, there's a read more document which you can read, okay, by yourself. You can read this if you want. Okay, it kind of shows you a little bit of what's new and has a little tutorial in there. Okay, and here we have the Ilusity v0.9.3 application right here. Okay, so what you're gonna have to do is very simple. Before you actually execute this, you're gonna right click on it, properties, compatibility, run this program as an administrator, apply, and okay. The reason why I'm asking you guys to do that is because some games are run as administrator, and for Ilusity to have permission, to have a scope to move your mouse on that game, you need to run Ilusity as administrator. Anyways, let's proceed. So let's open Ilusity now. You're gonna click yes, so you need to give it permission, right? Alright guys, so now let's talk about the new changes in Ilusity. Alright, so first of all, as soon as you go into Ilusity, you can already notice there's a major change over here. We have something called profile values, the keybind. So now you can turn on your recoil based on this key over here. So basically, if I press like P, I'm gonna turn on this recoil for this profile, right? Profile is PUBG. Over here in the bottom, I'm gonna turn on the recoil by pressing P. So if I press P one time, all right, it's on, right? And now I can press my left and right click on my activation, right? I'm gonna press my left and right click, and there you go, right? If I press it one more time, it's off now, right? Nothing's happening if I press left and right click. Okay, cool. So now that's how this works. So the profile values over here, toggle keybind, is basically for you to just basically turn on the recoil. You can modify this anytime you want. So you can just come over here and modify to whatever key you want. Let's say I want it to be O. You can press O and then click save, and now it's gonna be O. So yeah, press O and turn down. Right? This Ilusity is completely customizable. You can customize basically everything you want. That's why there's so many entries, so many things you can change. You can change basically anything you want in Ilusity. All right, cool. So now another thing that's new too is you guys asked me on the feedback there for me to add a keybind per gun. So for example, you want to turn on the AKM by pressing F1, and you want to turn on the M4 by pressing F2. You can now do that if you want to, okay? And these right here, gun values. Below gun values, you have the keybind and the values. And this keybind over here stands for the gun value. So basically, for the AKM right now, I have an X, right? For the info 16, I also have X. Now, let's say that I want to turn on the AKM by pressing M. Let me click save. And I want to turn on the info 16 by pressing N. Okay, so M first as in marriage, and N as in navy. So I'm gonna go to, for me to do that right now, it doesn't work right now. For me, the only way to change right now is by pressing caps lock. For me to disable these, right, I want to turn on by pressing M and N, right? It's very simple. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go to settings, and over here there's something called global gun switch. What you're gonna do is you're gonna basically type false here. Right, the global gun switch works the following way. So basically what it does is that if a key is pressed, so if you have caps lock here, right, what it's gonna do is it's gonna basically just it's going to basically switch the gun based on this key. Okay, it doesn't matter what you put in here, it's gonna switch the gun based on the key that's here. If you type false, however, false and then press save, now the guns are gonna switch based on the keys you put in there right? So as you can see right here, I am pressing M and it's like AKM. If I press N right now, it goes to M416. If I press X, it goes to SMG. Now I know there are other guns such as the barrel and the AR that it also has X, but it's only gonna use the first gun, right? It's only gonna go through the first gun. So for example, the SMG, the barrel, and the AR all have X, right? It doesn't change as you can see, right? The M416 has N, for example. So if I press X, only the SMG is gonna go because that's the first gun. That's the gun that's over here in the top, right? So you wanna be careful. If you're gonna use keybind per gun, you need to make sure that every single gun has a different keybind. If it's repetitive, it's only gonna go to the first one. So AKM is M, M416 is N, and SMG is X together with barrel in the other one. So basically, let's say I'm shooting right now, right? I'm shooting right now basically, and I wanna now go through the to the M416. I just press N right now, and there you go. Now I'm in the M416, and as you see, the values automatically change at the bottom too, and change right here, right? If I press M, it's the AKM now. So it's very chill, right? If I press X, it goes to the SMG. Let me just press X. Now it's the SMG. See? Really neat, right? So that's how this works. Alright, guys? We have something new now too. We have the rapid fire. Rapid fire is a very interesting function that you guys always ask me for. So right now I'm in this website called CPS test. Okay, it's right there on the screen. Okay, you guys can go to it too, and that's where we're gonna test the rapid fire. So basically what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go here to settings. I'm gonna make sure that I have my activation type. So basically what this means is that if you have left mouse, as soon as you press left mouse and your recoil is on, is enabled, if you press left mouse, the recoil is gonna go down. I have left and right mouse, which means I need to press left key and right click for the recoil to go down. Okay. Anyway, so now make sure rapid fire is on, and I'm gonna click enabled, right? And now if I shoot, as I'm shooting, you guys can see that it's clicking. Look, right there, it's clicking. I'm not clicking several times. You guys can hear my mouse. Look, I'm gonna click just once to activate it. Listen to my mouse. Ready? I don't know if you guys could hear that, but yeah, I clicked only once to activate it, and now it's clicking, right? So there, as you can see, it's clicking and bringing it down. I'm bringing it up just so it doesn't go out of the bounds, but it's clicking and bringing it down. See, it's very neat, right? Cool. So as soon as you let go, it's gonna stop. So as soon as you let go of either like left click or right click, it's gonna stop. So if I let go of left click right now, it stops. If I let go of right click right now, it stops. Cool. Now you can also change. So if you have the left mouse, for example, right? If I have left mouse, all I need to do now is just press left mouse once. Just press left click once and it's gonna activate rapid fire. Let me make sure rapid fire is on. And there you go, it's shooting, right? There you guys can see it's shooting. I let go, it stops. Shoot, let go, it stops. Shoot, let go, it stops, right? Very cool. All right. So that's how rapid fire works. Rapid fire is pretty simple. Let me just change it to left and right mouse. There you go. Rapid fire is pretty simple and pretty neat. So these are the most changes. Now we have also another change, which is this one. On the extra tab now, we have 2 new functionalities on the extra tab. And of course, there will be much more functionality later on. As you guys know, Ilusity is still in development. So I am making improvements based on you guys' feedback. So if you don't know, I receive a lot of feedback on my Discord server. So you guys can join my Discord server right now. Go to the feedback channel and send me feedback. Constructive feedback. Say, hey, Crypt, this is not working. Could you improve these because of that? And I'll definitely I'll respond to you and I'll see if I can improve it. All right. Most feedbacks that people have sent to me have already been implemented in Ilusity. So make sure you send me feedback. All right. Remember, you need to be VIP to get this, or you need to purchase it. Okay. Cool. So here on extra we have lean span and crouch span. And basically what it's gonna do is if you enable it, right, and then you have your recoil enabled, right? You have enabled over here. You have the recoil tab enabled. What it's gonna do is as you're shooting, right? As you're shooting, the reason why it's going down so quick is because I have the barrel, and the barrel have really strong values. Let me push the SMG. There you go. As you guys are shooting, it's gonna be basically pressing the lean buttons. So like lean to the left side, lean to the right side, right? It's gonna be pressing those. So it's really good for super people, by the way. This is really good. I use these super people. It's really good for super people. So lean span is really good for super people. Crouch span is better for like games such as PUBG, because it just keeps pressing crouch once in a while, right? You don't need to press it. It's just gonna press it as you're shooting, so it kind of throws your enemies off a little bit. All of these only happens when you shoot. Alright, so if I enable this right now and I go to over here recoil, it's only gonna happen when I'm shooting. And that was it for this video, guys. I hope you guys like it. You need to get Ilusity on my website, okay? So if you don't have Ilusity v0.9.3 yet, you need to purchase it on my website. Now, I'll give you guys a quick recommendation that I keep giving people. It is better for you to become a VIP and pay $5 monthly than to purchase every single version of Ilusity. Now, of course, you don't have to purchase every new version of Ilusity, but you probably want to because it comes with better updates, it comes with better functionality. However, you don't have to. Now, if you do, it's much better for you to spend only $5 every month than spend upwards of $20 every month, right? Because I usually release 2 updates per month. So it's really up to you guys, but this is just a recommendation. It's actually to help you guys mostly, right? You can cancel the subscription at any time on your profile. So there's no real downside to this. So you can always cancel subscription. It's only $5 per month. I'm gonna show you guys real quick here how to get it. So hopefully most of you guys already know that I have a website. You can very easily get to my website by going to the website over here, link cryptap.com. It's on the screen right now. And then you can come over to the store, okay? And you can simply purchase it right here. So you can click on Ilusity 0.9.3. It's $10 right now, right? However, there was a promo code in this video. So there was a promo code in this video. Hopefully you saw it. If you saw it, you can use that promo code to purchase this, okay? Anyways, so I'm gonna click on this and then you just click on buy now. Make sure you're logged in, all right? And then you click on buy now and you're gonna go to this page. I'm gonna show you guys right now. And here on this page, you can put your PayPal or your credit card, doesn't matter. And then you just pay right here. You can put your PayPal here or you can put your credit card and then you can purchase it. If you have a promo code, a coupon code, you can just come over here and type the coupon code right here. Okay. Basically, if you are already VIP though, I'm gonna show you guys what VIP have access to. So VIPs, right? If you are VIP, by the way, you can purchase VIP by coming over here, like hovering over the store and going to subscription. And then over here, you can purchase VIP right here. So just hover over store, don't click on it, and go down to subscription. And here you can purchase VIP, all right? There's no refunds whatsoever, guys. Anyway, so you can click subscribe. After you have purchased VIP, you can cancel at any time on your My Subscriptions over here on your profile, okay? You can cancel at any time right there. I don't have any subscriptions because I'm the owner, but if you do, you can cancel at any time, right? You can also check all your orders over here, clicking my orders. So if you purchase something, you can just click on it. You can actually click here to download it. So let's say I purchase something, I click right here, and now I can download it right here, right? I can download what I already purchased, right? Anyways, so let me show you guys real quick. So I'm gonna come over here to the free apps, hover over. I'm gonna go to the VIP page. If you're a VIP, you have access to this. So click on the VIP page, and here, you guys, it says thank you for becoming VIP. You can go to these arrow buttons right here to navigate. So I'm gonna click on this arrow button, and here you have access to Ilusity 0.9.3. Okay, so very quickly you can get to this page. Okay, you can also have access to the other one, so Ilusity 0.9.2 and Ilusity 0.9.7. Okay, so you guys can download it right here very quickly. Just click on download, and you have access to it right there. So of course, I already have it. I'm not gonna download it, but that's what you can do if you're a VIP. You go hover over free apps and go to VIP right here. Okay, and that's what you have access to if you're VIP. All right. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, and join my Discord server. It's very important for you to join my Discord server. If there's a problem, I'll announce it there. Okay, so please join my Discord server. It only benefits you. All right, guys. Thank you for watching this video.